how big a loss is Vice President Sara Duterte from your cabinet? And ano po yung napag-usapan nyo? What was the reason given by her? Bakit po siya nag-resign?
She didn't give any reasons. I asked her if there were any particular reasons why she has chosen to resign from the Department of Education and from the NTF-LCAC. And she said, wag na lang natin pag-usapan. So I did not force the issue. Well, you know, we have to carry on. And the Department of Education is quite possibly, arguably, the most important department because education is that important. So no matter the change of leadership within the department, we still have to carry on. So we are now, at today's, I would like to be able to announce the appointment of the new DepEd Secretary by the end of the week.
Sir, ilan po yung kinoconsider natin?
Ba't kayo nagugulat? We cannot leave it open. Ang importante yung trabaho nila. We cannot just leave it like that na nakatiwangwang dun sa na walang secretary. Kaya minamadali ko lahat. Sinasabi ko, bigyan niyo ako ng maraming pangalan. Ano mong gusto natin? What do we need? Tignan natin na mabuti ulit where the status of the DepEd. What is now required? Ano pa ba ang kailangan gawin? So, what do we need? We need an educator? Do we need an administrator? Do we need an accountant? What do we need? And that's what we're trying to determine right now.